Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gnyan school, and today we will continue our 8th standard science chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. And today's topic is coal gas and petroleum. What is coal gas? In the last class we learned about the coal tar and coke, and these products are obtained by the destructive distillation. So same coal gas is also obtained by the destructive distillation. Okay, and what is the destructive distillation? When the coal is uh, burned under the pressure and temperature is 1000 to 1400 degree Celsius. And here is the coal gas plant structure. So you can see here there is the coal, and here is the coal, and we give them heat and it will be changed into coal gas, coal tar and coke. So you can see here this is the coal tar and coal gas is going here. So this is the coal gas plant structure, and it is a similar like destructive distillation. Okay, and main things are used in the main substance, that is when we burn the coal in the coal gas, that is the hydrogen, methane and carbon dioxide, and it is a combustible fuel. Okay, and it has a high calorific value, and it is used in the as a domestic and industrial fuel for heating purpose and street lighting also purpose. Once used for the street light, it was used for this purpose for the first time in London in 1810, and for the first time in New York in 1820. So as a source it is used in the street light and domestic uses also and heat purpose also. Now here when we burn the coal, so which substance are released? So what substance are released on the burning of coal? When we burn the coal, which substance are released? So we can see here, that is the lead, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, arsenic and mercury. So these products are obtained by the when we burn the coal. Okay, not coke and coal tar and coal gas. When we burn the coal, in naturally it will be released this substance. Now here we learn about the petroleum. What is the petroleum? Petroleum is a one word but is a mixture of two words, that is petrol and ium. What is meaning of petro? Petro means rocks, and oleum means oil. So petroleum means it is formed by the rocks, right? So here we learn how natural gas and petroleums are formed. In this picture you can see the 300 to 400 million year ago what's happened, and after 50 and 100 million year what's happened, and after what's happened. So with the help of diagram you can understand these things. I will tell you these tiny here you can see these tiny marine plants and animals. This is a plant and this is the animal. Plant and animal are died and were buried on the ocean floor. Over a time, the marine plant and animal were covered by the layers of soil and silt. Okay, after many years ago, over the millions of years, the remains were buried deeper. Uh, the environment and heat pressure turned the remain into oil and natural gas. Today we will drill down through layer of sand and rocks and silt to reach rock formation that contain oil and natural gas. And we learn now that is petroleum means petro means rock and oleum means oil. So these petroleum is found with the rock. Okay, so this is the process how can we get petroleum and natural gas. Now here mining of petroleum. How can we mine the petroleum? How can we extract the petroleum? Petroleum occur at the depth remaining from the few hundred meters, about 200 kilometers. Holes are drilled into the earth crust and pipes are inserted until the pipes reach the petroleum deposit. You can see here, this is the petroleum layer, oil and gas, and here is the water and reservoir is rocks. So pipes are into the yes, pipes are entered to these places where the oil and gases are there, and these petrol deposit here, and crude oil gases out to the pipe. High internal pressure of the natural gas, later petroleum, is pumped out the help of pump, like a water pump, but it is different. So you can see this is called the oil wells. Okay, these pipes are called oil wells because we can extract oil from here. We can take out the oil from the wells, so it is the oil wells. Now next you can see petroleum refinery. What is the petroleum refinery? The process of separating petroleum into usable fraction by fractional distillation. Okay, fractional distillation is called refining of petroleum. It is also called the fractional distillation of petroleum. It is carried out of petroleum refinery. Now I can show you here, that is the petroleum refinery power, and we will give them heat here, and this gas is on the 370 degrees Celsius we get fuel oil, 3100 degrees centigrade we found diesel, and on 200 degrees centigrade we found the kerosene, on the 150 degree centigrade we found the petroleum, and here we get the also natural gases. Okay, so these are the products of petroleum, and this is be found after the refining of petroleum. And here is the in the lower part you can see, here is the lubricants pattern, that is wax and etc. So it is used for making purple candles and our petroleum jellies. Okay, so this is the refining of petroleum. Petrol is used, you know where is the petrol used? Petrol are used in the cars, bus, uh, bikes. Kerosenes are used for cooking purpose, fire for combustion purpose. Diesel is also used in the vehicles, and fuel oil, it is used in the our cars, engine oil and etc. And here is the wax and other materials, so we will use into the gasoline and etc. Okay, now next, here is the closer look of petroleum refinery. You can see here, this here is upper layer is used into the gases, and it is used in the industries. Kerosene, glaciers, it is used in these vehicles. This is also used in vehicle diesel and gases. Lubricants are used in the house purpose and factories also. Here fuel oil is used in the vehicles and industrial also. We will give them heat, like it is a like a destructive distillation, but it is a fractional distillation, because here we get different type fraction type distillation. Okay, but we can give them heat and it will be changed into different products. Okay, so here our topic is finished. We will meet into the next next topic. Okay, thank you, bye.